Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Shopee seller account so you can start selling online. So first, go ahead and open your Shopee app and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and sign up using your mobile number or email. Once you're logged in, go to your profile and look for Start Selling. Tap on it and Shopee will guide you through setting up your seller account. Next, you'll need to set up your shop profile. Simply enter your shop name, pickup address, email, and phone number. This is important so Shopee knows where your orders will be coming from and how they can reach you. Once done, tap Next. And on the next page, you'll have to provide your business information. This is on the legal and government side, so make sure you take your time in filling out these details. You also have the option to submit these later, however, you won't be able to start selling on the platform until you submit them. But once everything is set up, go ahead and click submit and you can start listing your products. And basically, that's it. Your Shopee seller account is ready and you can start receiving orders. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.